Hey everybody, it's Baryer, Handy Andy, back at it with another unboxing. This time we're doing the Sony XG300. This is a portable Bluetooth speaker that has a really interesting design. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this to see what it looks like. Of course, I will be doing a review of this. This is just the unboxing and the kind of like first impressions. So let me just take this out. One thing you always want to look for a box now is everything is recyclable. So that's something a lot of consumers are expecting now. Now this plastic or this wrap here, I don't know if this is recyclable, but so here is the speaker itself. It's quite large, weighs I think just around 6 pounds. So it's got some weight to it. Check this out. It's got a retractable handle, so it goes in and out. That's pretty cool. Also, we see it's got some nice feet. So it's meant to sit horizontally like this on the ground, but of course you can take it. And subwoofers on each side. I do believe they light up. So let me just quickly turn it on. Yep. Okay, so I'll turn that off for the review, but let's see what else is inside here. We have instruction manuals. Don't know why you really need that for a Bluetooth speaker, but there is. And then inside over here, looks like this is going to be some cables. Let's go ahead and take a look. Ah, interesting. So this is the power adapter. Now, let's just take a quick look before we open that up. This is an IP67 rating, so it can handle, I believe, water submersion, provided that, you know, this is closed, but it's not meant to go underwater. So you do have USB-C input right over there. Got a battery button and also a USB-A. So you could use this battery to charge your smartphone. But interesting, okay, so it's got USB-C, and I just noticed this with this adapter, that this adapter is USB-C. So you're probably wondering, why does it even come with this, where you can just charge it with any USB adapter? And that's because it does have this quick charge ability. So you can get a quick charge in it when you're in a pinch, but you're gonna need this actual power adapter to do that. You could still charge this, you know, right on an outlet or whatever with your typical USB-C cable, but I think it's going to take a longer time. And so that's why they include this with it. So very, very simple, not much in the box. Everything looks to be all recyclable, maybe just for kicks. I'm going to go open this up and see. It's got that warranty information and all that. So you got a wireless reference guide. Yeah, warranty information. Well, what's this? Let's just, I like pictures. I think we're gonna say, oh yeah, here we go. Pictures, lots and lots of pictures. So this is a quick start guide. So everything you kind of really need to know. This does have Android quick pairing. So it should be super simple to pair to all my different Android devices. You want to make sure you check out this review on my channel. I'm going to be testing this out. It's got that X speaker, or what's called X balance speaker design. So these subs apparently aren't perfectly circular, and it's supposed to allow more punchy bass and the ability to minimize distortion. So we're going to crank this up. I actually have my own original music that I'm going to be using and testing this on, so that YouTube's algorithm won't be flagging my videos, because if I use anything else, that AI, music AI, will detect it, so they can't copyright music that I have made myself. So you want to check out my old beats that I made in my 20s. It's going to be coming on this review. Once again, this is the Sony X, I believe, G300 unboxing. Very simple design. I love this portability of it. I'm even going to jump some rope with this as well. So I'm going to go ahead and start that review now, but make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video. Leave your comments. Let me know what you think of Sony Bluetooth speakers in this crowded Bluetooth market, because I'm going to really put this to the test. Andy Baryer from Handy Andy Media, signing out. See you again next time.